I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. This is episode 106, and we're going to be talking about the due diligence period. Be sure to like and subscribe and ring that notifications bell so you never miss an episode. Buying and selling a home can be very stressful. You've got a lot of emotions and money tied up in a piece of real estate. There are many unknown variables hiding within the home, and the due diligence period is when those typically make their presence known. The due diligence period is an agreed upon time spelled out in the contract where buyers have their inspections completed and make sure the home is the right one for them. Using our explanation from last week's Stages of a Listing episode, the due diligence period is when the buyers have taken the home off the shelf and placed it into their shopping cart. While in the shopping cart, other potential buyers can look at the home, but no one else can purchase the home. During this time, a buyer can walk away from the deal for any reason or no reason at all. They can wake up one morning and just have a feeling, and then they can terminate the contract. This would be the equivalent of taking the home out of the shopping cart and placing it back on the shelf for another buyer. This is also why when the home is under contract and in the due diligence period, we must continue to market and show the home. Things happen all the time, and as long as we keep the home in the public eye, there's a good chance that someone else could quickly pick it back up and place it into their own shopping cart. Sometimes, again, based on the contract negotiations, there can be a due diligence deposit placed on the home. That money is given directly to the seller and counts towards the purchase price of the home, but is 100% non-refundable. This is not to be confused with the earnest money deposit, which is what we're going to talk about next week. There's more great content coming soon. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.